Chitchat English.
Did you play football?
Yes, I played football.
Did you play football?
No, I didn't play football.
Was the test difficult?
Yes, the test was difficult.
Was the test difficult?
No, the test wasn't difficult.
Did you cook dinner?
Yes, I cooked dinner.
Did you cook dinner?
No, I did not cook dinner.
Did you go to the party?
Yes, I went to the party.
Did you go to the party?
No, I didn't go to the party.
Were you busy yesterday?
Yes, I was busy yesterday.
Were you busy yesterday?
No, I wasn't busy yesterday.
Did you eat breakfast?
Yes, I ate breakfast.
Did you eat breakfast?
No, I did not eat breakfast.
Was the movie good?
Yes, the movie was good.
Was the movie good?
No, the movie wasn't good.
Did you call your friend?
Yes, I called my friend.
Did you call your friend?
No, I didn't call my friend.
Were you a student last year?
Yes, I was a student last year.
Were you a student last year?
No, I wasn't a student last year.
Did you finish your homework?
Yes, I finished my homework.
Did you finish your homework?
No, I didn't finish my homework.
Did you travel last summer?
Yes, I traveled last summer.
Did you travel last summer?
No, I didn't travel last summer.
Did you have breakfast?
Yes, I had breakfast.
Did you have breakfast?
No, I didn't have breakfast.
Were you at home last weekend?
Yes, I was at home last weekend.
Were you at home last weekend?
No, I was not at home last weekend.
Did you read the book?
Yes, I read the book.
Did you read the book?
No, I did not read the book.
Were you tired after work?
Yes, I was tired after work.
Were you tired after work?
No, I wasn't tired after work.
Were you hungry last night?
Yes, I was hungry last night.
Were you hungry last night?
No, I wasn't hungry last night.
Did you go shopping?
Yes, I went shopping.
Did you go shopping?
No, I didn't go shopping.
Was your vacation fun?
Yes, my vacation was fun.
Was your vacation fun?
No, my vacation wasn't fun.
Did you visit your grandparents?
Yes, I visited my grandparents.
Did you visit your grandparents?
No, I didn't visit my grandparents.
Were you excited about the trip?
Yes, I was excited about the trip.
Were you excited about the trip?
No, I was not excited about the trip.
Did you clean your room?
Yes, I cleaned my room.
Did you clean your room?
No, I didn't clean my room.
Was your meeting successful?
Yes, my meeting was successful.
Was your meeting successful?
No, my meeting wasn't successful.
Did you enjoy the concert?
Yes, I enjoyed the concert.
Did you enjoy the concert?
No, I did not enjoy the concert.
Were you at the gym yesterday?
Yes, I was at the gym yesterday.
Were you at the gym yesterday?
No, I wasn't at the gym yesterday.
Did you buy a new car?
Yes, I bought a new car.
Did you buy a new car?
No, I did not buy a new car.
Did you clean the kitchen?
Yes, I cleaned the kitchen.
Did you clean the kitchen?
No, I didn't clean the kitchen.
Were you in class?
Yes, I was in class.
Were you in class?
No, I wasn't in class.
Did you take the bus?
Yes, I took the bus.
Did you take the bus?
No, I didn't take the bus.
Was your trip enjoyable?
Yes, my trip was enjoyable.
Was your trip enjoyable?
No, my trip wasn't enjoyable.
Did you bake a cake?
Yes, I baked a cake.
Did you bake a cake?
No, I didn't bake a cake.
Were you at the park?
Yes, I was at the park.
Were you at the park?
No, I wasn't at the park.
Did you water the plants?
Yes, I watered the plants.
Did you water the plants?
No, I didn't water the plants.
Was your weekend relaxing?
Yes, my weekend was relaxing.
Was your weekend relaxing?
No, my weekend wasn't relaxing.
Did you exercise yesterday?
Yes, I exercised yesterday.
Did you exercise yesterday?
No, I didn't exercise yesterday.
Were you at the party?
Yes, I was at the party.
Were you at the party?
No, I wasn't at the party.
Did you fix the computer?
Yes, I fixed the computer.
Did you fix the computer?
No, I didn't fix the computer.
Was the exam hard?
Yes, the exam was hard.
Was the exam hard?
No, the exam wasn't hard.
Did you attend the webinar?
Yes, I attended the webinar.
Did you attend the webinar?
No, I didn't attend the webinar.
Were you in the office?
Yes, I was in the office.
Were you in the office?
No, I wasn't in the office.
Did you draw a picture?
Yes, I drew a picture.
Did you draw a picture?
No, I didn't draw a picture.
Was the event fun?
Yes, the event was fun.
Was the event fun?
No, the event wasn't fun.
Did you buy groceries?
Yes, I bought groceries.
Did you buy groceries?
No, I didn't buy groceries.
Were you on time for the meeting?
Yes, I was on time for the meeting.
Were you on time for the meeting?
No, I was not on time for the meeting.
Did you study for the test?
Yes, I studied for the test.
Did you study for the test?
No, I didn't study for the test.
Was your birthday last month?
Yes, my birthday was last month.
Was your birthday last month?
No, my birthday wasn't last month.
Did you watch TV last night?
Yes, I watched TV last night.
Did you watch TV last night?
No, I didn't watch TV last night.
Were you happy with the results?
Yes, I was happy with the results.
Were you happy with the results?
No, I wasn't happy with the results.
Were you at work?
Sure, I was at work.
Were you at work?
Oh, I wasn't at work.
Did you see the movie?
Yes, I saw the movie.
Did you see the movie?
No, I didn't see the movie.
Were you home yesterday?
Yes, I was home yesterday.
Were you home yesterday?
No, I wasn't home yesterday.
Did you visit your parents?
Yes, I visited my parents.
Did you visit your parents?
No, I didn't visit my parents.
Was it hot outside?
Yes, it was hot outside.
Was it hot outside?
No, it wasn't hot outside.
Did you go to the store?
Yes, I went to the store.
Did you go to the store?
No, I didn't go to the store.
Were you at the library?
Yes, I was at the library.
Were you at the library?
No, I wasn't at the library.
Did you finish the project?
Yes, I finished the project.
Did you finish the project?
No, I didn't finish the project.
Was your day good?
Yes, my day was good.
Was your day good?
No, my day wasn't good.
Did you talk to him?
Yes, I talked to him.
Did you talk to him?
No, I didn't talk to him.
Were you at the meeting?
Yes, I was at the meeting.
Were you at the meeting?
No, I wasn't at the meeting.
Did you play tennis?
Yes, I played tennis.
Did you play tennis?
No, I didn't play tennis.
Was the food delicious?
Yes, the food was delicious.
Was the food delicious?
No, the food wasn't delicious.
Did you clean the kitchen?